how to add a Sam's Club card to your Apple Wallet. So here's what we want to do. I'm first going to remove this card. Now you want to go into the App Store and search for an application called Pass to You. You need this in order to add a Sam's Club card into your Apple Wallet. So here, Pass to You wallet, you just want to install the application and open it up. Once you have the app open, we are going to click on the yellow plus sign in the bottom right and then apply a pass template. From here, we want to use the search bar to search for Sam's Club, just like that, and find the card that looks the most like your Sam's Club card. So there are some templates for a Plus membership, as you can see here. So Sam's Club Plus, you just want to choose the one that matches your card. Here, what we're gonna do is click on Done. You can edit any of these fields here that pop up. You can enter your barcode, you can enter your name, so on and so forth. After you're done with this, click on Done, then Add. And now if you check your wallet, Apple Wallet, you will have the Sam's Club card here. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.